In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a polished design in Chrome using a blank frame, custom shapes, chart apps, icons, high-resolution image assets, and a clean final export. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along easily and build a layout that looks professional from start to finish. Begin by opening Chrome and launching your design workspace. Once you're in, create or open a blank frame. This blank frame is your starting canvas. So think of it as the foundation for everything you're about to place and arrange. Before adding anything, it helps to pause for a moment and consider the general structure of your design. Having even a rough idea of placement will make the rest of the process much smoother. Next, move to the left side menu and start exploring the available design elements. This is where you can add custom shapes, chart apps, and icons. Custom shapes are useful for creating visual sections, highlights, backgrounds, or containers for content. Icons can help communicate ideas quickly and make your layout more engaging without overcrowding it with text. If you're using chart apps, choose the chart style that best fits the information you want to present and make sure it supports the overall look of your design. As you add these elements, try to keep spacing consistent and avoid placing too many items too close together. A clean arrangement usually looks more professional and is easier for viewers to understand. After that, import your high-resolution image assets into the layout. High-resolution images are especially important because they help your final design look crisp and polished, especially when exported or printed. Bring the images into your frame and position them carefully so they support the composition rather than overwhelm it. You may need to resize or align them so they fit naturally with your shapes, icons, and charts. While doing this, pay attention to visual balance. If one side of the frame feels heavier than the other, adjust the placement until the overall design feels even and intentional. Once everything is in place and you're satisfied with the composition, move on to exporting the final frame. Choose a high-quality PDF if you want a format that's easy to share, present, or print. If you need more flexibility for scaling and editing, export it as a vector image instead. Before finishing, take one last look at the frame to make sure nothing is misaligned, cropped awkwardly, or lower quality than expected. A final review can save you from having to redo the export later. That's the full process for building and exporting a clean, professional design layout in Chrome.